Shut up.
This is Scott shaving.
Shut. Allie, you hate you so much. Get off of there, it's gonna break. Alright,
You need more
have
shaving.
you ever seen Steve Urkel when he did that
Can you
episode?
like get more shaving cream
No,
on?
that's fine.
No, it's really not. You're shaving like bare skin right there. You gotta put more on. I shave my
can't
legs
even
every
open
day.
it.
Alright, put a little more.
No, child.
There, do you see all this right here?
Shut up.
And up here, you know, you got some.
Shut up.
Okay.
I'm just letting you know what area you're missing.
I'm gonna like.
Listen, we shaved for a longer time and more things, alright? So.
Now that's on the
Shaving.
video.
There's two of you. Oh my god, look, you're both shaving.
Shut up.
Oh my god, look, you're both shaving.
Right there.
No, I'm leaving it.
Can you
That's
please get your neck?
Shave your neck.
Okay, I'm sorry. Do you not see this fuzz right there?
On the side, right there.
No,
That's
what?
all I'm doing.
No! You gotta shave it all! You shave it all and nothing.
I think I just cut my.
I hate when I cut myself. It hurts like fucking
I
hell.
know.
Oh, I did.
I cut myself so bad I had to put a pan on because I couldn't find any Band-Aids.
Alright, there you go. That's all you get.
No!
You didn't even wash your face off. Come here.
Yes, I just did.
That's a towel. Stand
No,
here.
wash
What
your
is
face.
this?
Stop!
I already feel I can run faster already. It's better than it was.
You missed right there and right there.
You need to go away,
Right
Ellen.
there.
I'm sorry. What did you shave? You didn't shave here?
It's fine.
Right here.
Are you?
Allie, do you really have
It's.
Missed a spot right there.